Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice Cactus Grey coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine and comes equipped with the Class 2 trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, you do have that nice tow hitch, and we have the option to open our glass right here, which allows you to have access to your cargo, which is pretty nice. We also have a nice roof rack, mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we also have that license plate bracket and that nice Bronco logo. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle has plenty of storage. You do have lights, little hooks all around the back, and you can fold down that seat for extra room. You got a 12 volt right there, and lifting this up, you do get a full-size spare tire and extra storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice black, blue, and gray cloth interior. We do have plenty of door space. You got a USB and USB-C down there, plus the Bronco logo, and of course you can pull this down for extra storage and some cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered. We have the nice Bronco logo there with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again. You have your trunk and lights right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 14.4 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your menu, voice, phone, media, cruise control, and volume just right there. Now looking here, we do have driving assist, what station you're currently on, phone, information about the vehicle, trip 1, my view, and so on and so forth. Looking here, you have your gear shift, cup holders, parking brake, auto hold, GOATS mode. You do have storage with a USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt. Heated seats, climate, you do have storage there, engine start, and for your GOAT modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. Continue your look here, we do have our auto stop, auto start, hazards, music tune, and our main screen, which we have with station, compass, and phone. You do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as clock, navigation, Wi-Fi, phone, and so on and so forth. And of course you do get storage in the glove compartment and storage in the center console as well with the USB and USB-C. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE74857, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.